Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use a 7Shift for task management. So the very first thing that we should do is we have to create our account. So first, go open your web browser and then search for 7Shift. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this website. Now, we just have to click on the start for free or start the free trial of this tool. Okay, so click on this one. After that, you just have to choose if you're an employee or an owner of a restaurant. So after that, you just have to input here your first name and the full details. Okay, so make sure that everything is correct. So we have your first name, last name, your email, your password, and then you have to put here how did you hear about 7Shifts. So here I'm just going to input maybe Facebook and click on start trial after that. Okay, and then once you're done right here, just have to choose what brings you to 7Shifts. So scheduling, tip management, time tracking, budgeting, communication, payroll. So I'm going to include everything. And then what's your job? Okay, so just have to choose if what is your job. And then choose if how long has been your restaurant open. So I'm just going to select 6 to 10 or 12 months. So click on next after that. And then here just have to input the account. Now so you can spend more time on trial testing out the fun stuff. So here, what is the name of your restaurant, the address, and then how many locations does your restaurant have. Okay, so just have to input here all of the details. Okay, so what type of restaurant are you? So we have your coffee shop, bistro, we have food truck, we have others. So I'm just going to select table service restaurant. And how many locations do you have? And on average, how many employees do you have per location? And then just have to set up your schedule. So what do you currently use for scheduling? And then the other details for the schedule. Okay, so here you just have to input the department. Okay, so if you would like to add a new department, so you just have to click on this add department option below, and after that click on next. Okay, so when you click on next, you'd be redirected now to your dashboard. Okay, so now that you have successfully created your account, as you can see here on the schedules, we already have the different departments. So all we have to do here is to add our employees. Now just go to the task section. Okay, so right here to create a list of the tasks, just have to click on this create list option at the top right of your screen. Okay, that's right. And when you do that, you just have to input the details for this new list. So we have here two lists. Okay, so this is a sample opening checklist. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have different things to get done for this list. Now, if you would like to create a new one, just simply click on this create new list at the top right of your screen. So it depends on what operations do you need for your restaurant. So you just have to input here all of the tasks that you need. So we have the list name, the description, as well as the list occurrence. And then if you would like to add a time frame, you can do that as well. And here you just have to assign this task. Okay, so right here, select the location, the department. Okay, and then after that, you just have to select your employee and then make sure to save your changes. Okay, so whenever you need to make changes for the tasks or the operations of your restaurant, you just have to go to the task section. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.